I'm Varda Mehrotra, and I've been working in the civil society for the last nearly 20 years now.
I'm Shivam. I basically involved in research in Samayu.
I'm Devajyoti Chatterjee. I'm looking after the research and policy vertical in Samayu.
Samayu is a fairly recent organization. So we were founded about 3 years ago. We'll complete 3 years in October. And it was really to bring a more intersectional lens to advocacy in general. So it wasn't just sort of like, how do we make animal advocacy more intersectional? But as advocates, sort of when we're out there engaging with different stakeholders and the issues, you sort of like, the interconnectedness is evident, and when the interconnectedness is evident, the next logical step was where we've got to make sure that our response is also more holistic, our response in terms of social change and the different things that we're doing. So that's really where Samayu came from. The complex nature of both the problem that we are addressing and the solutions that we're proposing makes monitoring and evaluation quite a complicated task. So even though all of us come with a lot of experience in how to set up monitoring evaluation systems and how to be able to do that for different projects. For something like the kind of work that we're doing, we needed that extra support and guidance. We from a more from experts in that area that we didn't have in house, and we could not afford in house either. So that was something that was quite significant. And it's really important, of course. Monitoring and evaluation is critical for any organization, but most importantly for us to be able to assess what impact does our theory of change really have, where do we need to make modifications, to evolve our strategies. So that was quite an important, and also to be able to communicate to funders. It was really important for us to be able to do that effectively. So that was quite significant. Also, we are, as an organization, do a fair bit of research. We undertake a lot of research, and we're a small team, so we have a very ambitious goal, but we have a very small team, an excellent, amazing team, but still a small team. To be able to get that extra support in being able to strengthen the robustness of the research that we undertake, that was another gap that we wanted to fill with our association with Statistics Without Borders. And that was really, those were the two big motivations for us to reach out to SWB to ask for help. And like I think everybody's been saying, it's been truly incredible.
We have divided the entire program in under two projects. The first one dealt with statistical methodology and sampling procedure, and second one mainly helped us in this monitoring and evaluation process. We worked with two incredible teams, led by Mr. Anthony and Dr. Holmes. So they helped us a lot in this entire process. They have given us the correct guidance to frame the monitoring procedure. And finally, that advanced statistical techniques that they have shared with us, it's also incredible, which really helped us right from the very beginning to keep our keep our entire program very focused and statistically valid.
In fields, we were collecting data, but those data were very massive. Like, we were collecting data from many locations or many places. Before the SWB, we were not having understanding of data, that which way we will go about the sampling, and also whenever we were having problem, we were writing to them, especially Holmes and Anthony. So they were very kind and very supportive. Whenever we need, they had a meeting with us, and they clear all our doubts.
It's been a very exciting journey in the last several years, because intersectionality and working across different sectors is something that we've all always aspired to, and to be able to see that in action, and to be able to see tangible change, and to be able to work on actual models that can make a difference has been hugely inspiring. And it's all down to the incredible team that we have, and the support that we get from organizations like SWB. So we're hugely grateful for that.